The WakeFit Sleep Internship, the most talked about and one of the most viral campaigns of 2019. Sleep Internship पूरे भारत में ही नहीं, पूरे विश्व में चर्चा का विषय बना। और हमें अपनी इस सोने वाली जॉब के लिए दुनिया भर से एप्लीकेशंस मिले। 1.7 लाख एप्लीकेंट्स ट्राइड देयर लक। वीडियो राउंड से शॉर्टलिस्ट होकर हमारे टॉप 100 बुलाए गए बेंगलोर अपने फाइनल फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू राउंड के लिए।
What you're feeling this morning? You're about to meet our judges. You set in an audition video. You're one of the top 100. Are you excited, nervous? What's going through your mind?
Yeah, I'm nervous. That's what I told him. I'm nervous because I have to crack a few good ones now. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous now, but I think I'll have fun.
Well, don't be. Take a deep breath. I'm sure you're going to be fine. And I'll talk to you once you're done. Find out how it went. Yeah. All the best.
Hi, Ishita.
Hi, Ishita.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. I'm great. How are you?
First relax, calm down.
बैठना मस्ती से
At the point of
Okay.
shooting, we've
जूते
just
उतार ले।
eaten. हम लोग
अच्छा, ठीक
बहुत
है।
चावल खा के
मैंने 4 नान खाए हैं, रोगन
नान।
जोश खाया है,
हाँ।
मूंग दाल हलवा खाया है और मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोल रही।
हाँ,
मैं अभी खा के आई हूँ, मुझे डकार आ रही है अभी।
That's cute.
Oh my
I
God.
did Vajrasan, so everything is like settled now.
I did something I can't mention. Let's move on.
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
let's do that.
Thank you.
Welcome to the show. Can you start by playing the guitar for us?
Okay, I'll do
क्या
chugging.
हुआ
Okay.
तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा। चल सो जा।
पक्का?
I thought that was very good.
Yeah, that was really
I
good.
thought it was genuinely wrong.
Felt it in the feels.
Yeah, it was.
Can you play the guitar so I can then see what the genuine? Look at the pyar and the the love for the art. And I don't know.
अरे सितार भी हो गया।
Oh, yes. It's half guitar, half guitar.
It's some fusion.
Yes,
It's fine,
yes.
yeah.
There is enough research to suggest that if you get a good night's sleep, your physical, mental, and your immunal health is completely like at peak performance. Like if you get 8 hours of sleep, some people think that, oh, if I work for like 16 hours a day and I
Sorry,
get like...
but this is not a TED talk.
All right, okay.
You're giving me a TED talk.
All right,
You're
I'm
a
so sorry.
comedian, don't forget that.
All right, okay.
Make it funny.
Dude, sleep well, you get to do your other shit well as well, dude.
Okay.
Yes.
You say you like improv.
Yes.
Let's do an improv game with you.
Fantastic.
Right?
Sounds
You're going to tell us a day in your life, but every fourth word should be followed by a yawn.
Every day, I wake up, and then I meditate.
You sound like someone's punching you in the gut.
Like
Make it more beautiful.
Make it more-
Make
Yeah.
it more beautiful, okay? So I wake up, and then I,
Not beautiful, that's sensual.
and not other.
Constipated. Continue.
I'm so sorry for
It's okay. It's okay.
proximity is like really too close, and I'm not supposed to be using big actions.
Now, thank you for coming out today.
All right.
That was fantastic to see. Sensual was a little more. Yeah. Don't yawn too much.
Okay.
2 minutes yawn someone.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for
Pleasure
coming
meeting
out.
you.
All right,
Hopefully, get to run into you sometime soon.
Yes.
I cannot give you those dates. God, it's such a pain, yaar. Shah Rukh Khan.
Just tell him my name.
Imaginary phone. What's your name?
Tapajoti.
TJ.
That's the easy
टी
version.
शर्ट
Yeah.
देख लो कितनी कूल पहन के है। सोले
Solely 50.
विद स्लीपी गब्बर।
अरे वो सांबा तेरा बिस्तर का.
Oh, very nice. You worked very hard. Is this all for today? बोलने क्या अर्ज है? Say it.
हाँ.
You worked very hard. Okay.
Today I felt the first time what what being starstruck is. I wanted to say hi Cyrus. वो निकला ही नहीं आवाज. I was like,
Malika?
and I just couldn't say. वो
वो
दिल्ली वालों को थोड़ा used to हम लोग होते नहीं है stars देखने का.
और बॉम्बे में ऑपोजिट होता है, कोई पूछता भी नहीं किसी को।
दिल्ली में जो stars दिख नहीं सकते because of the fog, यार. It's
That's
totally
also
different. The reasoning.
But jokes apart, you guys are doing like amazing content. I mean, पता ही नहीं चलता घंटों बीत जाता है. Keep on scrolling.
I don't know what to say because I have not worked in 2 years.
Yeah. And I work only when I'm paid, so I don't know. I have no idea what you're
He must be
referring.
thinking of Sajid Khan, very famous comedian.
Yeah, and Farah Khan. Yeah. Tippi dalo yaar, please.
It's amazing to meet you. Very.
Amazing. Thank you. You're through. Let's not waste any more time. For me, chamchagiri is the most important quality. Let's get back to you, TJ.
Yes.
Aap batao. You've got backache and you've abused every single brand.
Yeah.
So I think the Wakefit guys will be very happy with you.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Her brand ko gali pe gali.
उसने anti वो की
Yeah, anti this, anti that, and then finally lower back ka dard hai, right?
Arey yaar, with age.
The problem is that you cannot be with your wife because of the lower back pain.
Wife is always actually angry at me.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे को सोने में बहुत सारी problems हैं. I actually used to love to sleep when I was in college and पूरा semester
Who
गुजर
doesn't
गया
like
था.
to sleep in college?
Yeah,
That's the
man.
time for sleep.
Semester trimester I used to sleep throughout and so अब मैं सोता हूँ जब मैं vacations पे जाता हूँ and that's the reason why wife is very angry.
So to cure the lower back का दर्द which is there.
तो देखो क्योर भी चाहिए और
तो
एक
आप
लाख भी
try
चाहिए.
करो एक बार ना.
That
आप try
makes
करो.
sense.
This is the Wakefit mat. It's supposed to be very good for the back.
Right, dude.
absolutely.
And give honest feedback.
Yeah.
And flat मस्त is it.
ये थोड़ा female model pose थे but फिर भी. हाँ.
नहीं, I'm right now thinking कि वो holy trinity of wasting time Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar ऐसे देखने में भी अच्छा लगेगा. full
Yeah.
time.
Wow. He's a man after my own heart.
Yeah.
Same sports. We like the same sports.
Yeah. Holy Trinity of
Holy
wasting
Trinity, yeah.
time. I think so. I'm finding him very cute actually.
You are fantastic. I think we've got all that we want to know.
You've come ready to sleep, is it?
Yeah. So my dad told me once that you should always dress for the job you want, and here I am.
Well, that's really, really good. I mean, I've never seen anyone go for a job in their pajamas, but this is the perfect one for the sleep internship. How are you feeling right now? What are your thoughts running through your head as you walk in to meet our celebrity judges? What are you thinking?
I can hear my heartbeat. I'm a huge fan of Malika Dua. There was a phase where I watched so much of her content that I started speaking like her. So meeting her and being able to converse with her is like a dream come.
How are you feeling? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
See, it's a mixed feeling. A bit of nervous, but more of excitement because it is entirely a different thing. It's basically a new concept.
Super elated, a super excitement. I feel like that I've been drawn back to my school days. And you know, it's a parents-teacher meet and I'm just about to walk in and meet my principal now.
Forward to taking away from this whole, sleep internship program, this whole experience. What are you looking to take away from that?
Comfortable sleep.
It will help me understand my sleep habits better, sleep patterns better, how to improve upon it. Yeah.
Okay, well, all the best, and I will talk to you once you're done. Good luck.
हेलो
नवीन।
आइए आइए बैठिए।
कहाँ पे बैठ जाऊँ मैं? यहाँ बैठ जाऊँ?
नहीं, यहाँ पे आप नहीं बैठ सकते।
टेबल पे बैठ जाऊँ?
We have to give the guests some place to sit.
आ जाओ फिर मैं क्या
This is
बोलूं?
okay.
So, are you also someone like that? Like, if there is anything around that causes hindrance in your sleep, you get cranky?
Anything that I find cranky when I'm sleeping, my wife.
You find your wife
No,
cranky?
I didn't say. Oh, okay, I didn't say that on camera. No, I didn't say that on camera. Wait, no.
का sleep का इतिहास में क्या क्या हुआ, कैसा हुआ, कब हुआ?
It happens when I feel myself stuck somewhere.
Yeah.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है या boring लग रहा है.
तो अब सो जाती.
Exactly.
Very nice.
I like doing punches. I am the punch king.
Yeah.
Can you do that kiss again? My entire crew wants to see it.
Really?
They're fans.
A little more passion in the kiss bit. Puppy is very important.
Give me a good night's sleep.
See, I liked it, but I feel there's more in you.
No!
1 second.
तो सोते हुए भी कोई आवाज़ निकालते हो? तो ऐसा सोते सोते बात करते हो? कभी ऐसा हुआ?
सोते सोते बात करता हूँ लेकिन बीवी लात मारती है ऑटोमेटिक स्टॉप हो जाता है.
वहाँ सुपर हीरो धरे रहे आते हैं ऐसी.
सुपर हीरो नहीं, वहाँ पे माँ दुर्गा है तो क्या कर सकते हो?
Did you get up in the middle? टॉयलेट जाने के लिए आप बीच में गैप भी या ब्रेक भी लिया था या?
Perhaps कभी कभी होता था.
क्योंकि मैं माँ कसम 4 या 5 बार जाते टॉयलेट.
सबको नसीब नहीं होता साइरस. Hi Swati.
Hello Swati ji.
Hello.
You didn't get your baby. Hello.
She's there. She's sleeping already.
Don't wake her up. Never become a baby. You'll pay for it later. Come, relax. So Swati, in your own words, can you tell us what sleep means to you? How much you sleep? Your sleeping habits?
I used to sleep 7 to 8 hours.
That's it? That's nothing?
Maybe a naps in the afternoon. That's it.
The standards we have are 22 hours people have slept. Oh. Yeah. But when you do, can you give us 22 hours? Because this requires you to go beyond the call of duty.
If this is my job, I'll be doing that.
You'll do it.
Yeah, if this is research, if
Well,
you want me
think
to do
you'll be able
something.
to sleep for so long?
Huh?
Thank you, Swati. That was very entertaining, at least for me.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Yeah. Go back to the baby. And
Yes.
make us proud, and hopefully you'll become a sleep intern one day.
So why should we give you this job?
आई एम गुड एट इट 26 साल से कर रहा हूँ दैट
तो हम भी कर रहे हैं ऐसी बात, हमें नहीं मिल रही है नौकरी, आप में ऐसी क्या स्पेशल बात है?
मेरे पास मेरा स्लीप डेटा है.
Of the sleep internship,
Would
what
like,
will you bring?
Would you like another question? In 1980, who won the hockey Olympic gold?
I like this question better.
You are right. You proceed. Are you willing to sleep like 20, 22, 23 hours, that kind of amount? Because the people who have come here have set records.
You have to sleep on call and you have to like sleep your life.
This is really a 22-hour guy. He's done 22 hours without stopping.
Yeah, I've
Many have
never
crossed 20.
done that in the past.
But can you? You sleep that much because this is huge. So Olympic standard sleeping.
Well, I don't know my capacity yet, so.
But you believe you have the potential.
Yeah.
You're a teacher. You can't. You always
I
believe
have
in.
to always believe my potential.
Carpe diem. Seize the day.
Yeah.
Dead Poets Society. Teacher. Robin Williams.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
पहले तो प्राइज मनी देखा, ठीक है, प्राइज मनी देखा एंड द सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आइडिया वाज कि
और नींद उड़ गई.
नहीं तो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ये था कि आपको अपना कोई भी डेली रूटीन चेंज नहीं करना था. ये सबसे ग्रेट आइडिया था. वेक फिट करके वहाँ पे आपको कोई भी चेंज नहीं करना है. जो आपके घर पे मैट्रेस दे रहे हैं वहाँ पे आप सो रहे हो. तो इट वॉज वेरी फन एंड फिर मुझे सही लगा ऐसा. तो मैंने तो मजे में दिया. तो वी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने एकदम सच्चे से जो भी था ऑनेस्टली लिख दिया था आंसर. जो फर्स्ट क्रिएटिव आंसर था एंड आई वाज नॉट इवन श्योर बिकॉज आई वाज रियली ऑनेस्ट एंड आई वाज नॉट इवन श्योर कि आई विल गेट सेलेक्टेड, बट हो गया. देन फिर वीडियो रेज्यूमे मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे से दिया एंड वो भी हो गया फाइनली. तो आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट कि मैं यहाँ पहुँचूंगा सबसे पहली बार, बट आई केम हियर.
इंटर्नशिप से आपको क्या मिलेगा?
स्लीप इंटर्नशिप से ये मिलेगा कि लोग मुझे अभी समझते हैं ये सब फ्री में करता है. ये फ्री में करता है और जब मुझे इसके लिए मुझे कंसीडर किया जाएगा तो इससे मुझे भी प्रोत्साहित होगा कि मुझे
पब्लिसिटी मिलेगा.
मतलब एनकरेजमेंट आता है पैसे से. अगर पैसा अगर आपको मिलता है तो आप ज्यादा प्रोत्साहित होते हैं.
आप समाज के लिए सेवा करते हैं.
अरे हम तो
नो डाउट, मगर बिना पैसे के साथ कोई गाड़ी नहीं.
अगर आपको पैसा मिलता है तो आप उस चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से.
सर आपने सही बोला.
बॉक्सर में आ गए तुम, कपड़े उतार के आए हैं सीधा.
वाओ, सुपर्ब. क्या
Very
बात है. ये
nice.
प्री प्रोडक्शन मलिका जी, ये प्री प्रोडक्शन.
यही होता है.
2 artists will do this.
यही.
बिकॉज़ शूज भी ऑफ किया उसने. कितने लोग आके वेस्टेड 5 मिनट्स.
प्रॉपर किया है इसने. प्रोडक्शन का टाइम और पैसा बचा. हाँ, सही है.
एक बात बताऊं मैं, और वो है कि आपने बहुत बढ़िया पिक्चर बनाई. इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल, वी एंजॉयड इट. सो टेल अस अबाउट बैक इन द चाइल्डहुड. यू आर नोन फॉर योर स्लीपिंग.
सर वेरी मच. इनफैक्ट मैं कह रहा हूँ ये जो इंटर्नशिप है, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट मी कमिंग हियर एंड स्लीपिंग. आई हैव टू रिडीम एवरी किड who has been taunted, जिसको वो हिंदी में मुहावरा सुनने को मिला है बचपन से लेके अभी तक. जो सोवत है वो खोवत है, जो जागत है वो पावत है. तो इट्स लाइक
इट्स नॉट यू, इट्स अबाउट द कम्युनिटी.
इट्स अबाउट द कम्युनिटी.
सही बात है.
आई हैव टू फाइट फॉर एवरीवन.
तुम देश के लिए सो रहे हो.
आई लाइक दिस.
गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
सेल्फलेस आदमी है भाई.
बिल्कुल
सर हमेशा से.
तो अगर तेरे को मिल गया 1 लाख
एज एन एक्टर, हां,
तो क्या करेगा तू स्लीपिंग के जगत में?
पहले तो मैं ढिंडोरा पीट दूंगा.
वेरी गुड.
क्योंकि सो के मेरे को ये मिला है.
करेक्ट
है ना. मैं सोने की इंटर्नशिप के लिए पैसे ले रहा हूँ. तुम तो यार घिस रहे हो सुबह से लेके शाम तक.
क्या बात.
तुम तो मांग लो हक से.
एनीवे, वेल डन सर. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड लेट्स होप यू गेट द जॉब.
यस.
हेलो, हाय स्लीप बडीज.
व्हाट्स अप मिस्टर पोलर बेयर?
प्रेजेंटेशन बना के एकदम इंटर्नशिप के लिए प्रिपेयर होके आया था मैं.
राक्षस प्रवृत्ति कहाँ से आई?
How far will you go for the sleep?
बैंड्रा से चेंबूर तक.
That's the most painful experience of our lives. Okay, Morgan, so we'll start with some questions in Hindi. आप कैसे हो? Got you, Morgan! Got you again!
अमित चतुर्वेदी.
बॉलीवुड के बड़े फैन हैं आप?
हाँ.
तो ऐसे कौन सी फिल्में जहाँ सो गए आप?
वाली पिक्चर के नाम तो कैसे याद रहेंगे जिनमें आप सो ही गए थे.
Lovely reaction.
कोई 3 जगह बताइए जहाँ पे आप और बेड के अलावा जहाँ आप सोना पसंद करते हैं.
गार्डन, दूसरा जिम और तीसरा सबसे अच्छा जगह सर ट्राई कीजिएगा बाथरूम.
If you were a politician and you started a political party और आपका basic concept या manifesto is sleeping, that's your gift to the people, how would you sell it?
जरूरत ही नहीं है सेल करने की.
मतलब?
That's what everyone needs. कि आपको जैसे this internship is selling itself. You got 1.75 because you're getting paid to sleep.
आपका स्लोगन क्या होगी फिर? Sleep above all.
Sleep for life.
That's death.
No. You don't die when you're sleeping.
Sorry.
Sleep for
No, it's your
life.
slogan.
Yeah, it's
sleep
my
for
slogan.
life.
Yeah.
I like it. I will
Sleep
vote for it.
for life,
Yeah.
not sleep for
For
life.
life.
Yeah.
So how you say it?
आपको इस नौकरी की क्या जरूरत है मतलब? Why?
स्लीप और स्लीप रिसर्च के बारे में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ पढ़ा है एंड आई फाउंड आउट दैट स्लीप इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस बिजनेस यू नो टू अंडरस्टैंड स्लीप एंड हाउ स्लीप अफेक्ट्स you know your daily life. You would not know and it will show up in various ways which you would not understand.
इंटर्नशिप में क्या कर रहे हैं? इंटर्न को तो ये सब नहीं पता होता।
इनको तो और रिसर्च करनी चाहिए सुने ताकि ऐसी और इंटर्नशिप बन सके।
अरे हाँ। What can you do for our company?
One thing I can assure you कि if I get this opportunity, I would try to spread it as much as possible because I mean.
As a virus?
No, not as a good thing ना.
वायरस।
I would.
आप भी सो गए।
ऐसे बंदा चलते सो गया।
सोचिए इंडिया में ऐसा हो जाए तो it's such a good thing.
अच्छा फिर काम कौन करेगा?
That virus would only be for 8 hours.
मैं Wakefit के through I just want to represent Wakefit and basically show the 3 pillars of healthy lifestyle which are sleep, diet and exercise. So
and parking. Because gym जाने के लिए आपको parking चाहिए.
मिलती नहीं.
In urban India, you cannot just walk around to the gym.
So through this internship, I wanna represent Wakefit and tell all the people change their mindset to motivate and inspire how to
You've given
sleep.
not only a very good answer and correctly the philosophy, but you mentioned Wakefit 7 times, which is a world record. Here's what is special and unique about yourself and sleep.
मेरा और मेरी नींद का लॉन्गेस्ट रिलेशनशिप चला है।
आप ही सोते हो अपने साथ, मेरा भी यही है, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं सोता, मैं बस
ये बेड और मैं।
Are you using our channel to find boyfriends?
सोते सोते बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं मिलेगा ना।
Oh my God, I'm killing myself.
The reason for my entire getup is that this is my actual look. This is Captain Sleepy Pants.
Correct.
I look forward to meeting my bed every night.
Yeah, man.
And she vouches that I'm good in bed. I am good in bed.
तो एक ऐसा गाना सुनाओ जिसमें नींद है।
मुझे नींद न आए, नींद न आए, नींद न आए। इतना ही आता है लिरिक्स।
अच्छा,
सॉरी।
नींद के आगे भाई बढ़ा ही नहीं।
मुझे नींद ना।
हाँ।
कोई चला जाए ढूंढ के लाए मतलब ही नहीं।
हो जा मेरे राजकुमार।
चांद तारों को खाने की आशा, आसमानों में सोने की आशा।
Change the lyrics and make it about sleep.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ರೂನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತೂ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
नींद आई गाने में?
हाँ।
शादीशुदा है?
नहीं, not yet.
बच्चे कितने हैं?
ये 4 था।
खाना नाश्ता लास्ट ऑर्डर.
I must say you have been fabulous throughout this campaign, this journey. Of 1 lakh people, you're the special chosen ones, the top 100. And I have the results and you were very witty and entertaining in the videos. So please give yourselves another round of applause for all the effort. We love the fact that you love to sleep. Can we please have Chaitanya Ramalinge Gowda? The first name this evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Mervyn D'Souza from Hyderabad.
Pramod Kumar. Ne. Vijay Thanki. Sneha Shinoy.
समता उकील।
Siddhartha.
Mridu Bhattacharya.
Rahul Sridhar.
निश्चल द्विवेदी।
वीडियो राउंड से शॉर्टलिस्ट होकर चुने गए हमारे 23 स्लीप इंटर्न। The Sleep Intern Batch of 2020.